Hey there, welcome back to my channel, Cheril here. Today I want to share with you my self-care post-period hacks. There are a number of things I do to take care of my body from time to time. Different routines for different needs. It all depends how I'm doing that week. Instead of coffee, I usually prefer a cup of spiced chai with some brown sugar and a dash of vanilla flavored coconut milk. It's a small treat for myself in the morning, the best alternative to a cup of joe on occasion. On days I feel tired and distracted, especially the week after the period, I try to slow down with every little daily task, easing my mind with routines and ingredients that replenish and nourish my well-being. A good stretch routine is absolutely in need for all of us. Just like naturally stretching your body when getting up in the morning, it feels good to have a daily stretch routine. More importantly, it helps a ton with stiffness if you work on a computer like I do. The first exercise is to gently press and massage the underarm area for lymphatic drainage, or rotating your arm from the front to the back. Also rotate your arms from the back to front, then do the same for the other arm as well. Now put both of your hands behind your head. Keep your elbows straight as you close your arms. Spread your arms as wide as you can in order to stretch your upper back muscles. Repeat the movement to fully stretch the back. Next, close the hands back to back and open your arms and hold for 2 seconds while stretching your arms to open up the back. The last exercise is in the standing position, putting your elbows together and swing them from side to side while keeping your lower body steady. Make sure your upper body leans forward slightly. Repeat this movement for 15 times a day to improve the mobility of the upper body. I also want to share a home recipe, mushroom shrimp veggie congee. I'm using shrimp as the protein for this dish. If you're vegan, you don't have to use any meat, just use all the veggies in this recipe. also have this fresh ginger tea recipe. Super easy. All you need is peel freshly cut ginger slices, some brown sugar, and hot water. This is an easy version for you to make a cup of fresh ginger tea at home. You can also make a big batch in a pot. Drinking ginger tea can help strengthen the immunity, improve blood sugar control, and alleviate menstrual cramps. I hope you enjoy all the tips and recipes in this video. Thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel before you go. Hang out and watch a couple more videos on my channel. Thank you for watching. I'm Cherilissa. I'll see you in my next video.